Okay, Labsters, welcome to Soundpack Slam. This week we're looking at that initial code. So I've added some extra phonemes or sounds onto the end for you to begin learning. And at the end, we'll do a blending activity. Let's go. A, apple, a. E, Eddie, e. I, itchy, I. O, orange, o. U, upper, a. A. I. O. S. M. T. N. P. Let's have a look at our blending. See if you can sound these letters and pull them together. P, a, n, p, an, pan. Ip, ip. T, o, tom. It, mit. An, san. Op, nop. At, sat. Have a go at the next couple on your own. Great job, Labsters. See you all next time.